any timeline you can imagine. Historical, modern, business. I developed a method that creates timelines in under 90 seconds using Google Gemini. Let me show you. A quick thing before we start. I've been seeing my methods and prompts pop up in a lot of videos lately. I mean, I'm flattered, imitation and all that, but if you are one of those creators, giving credit is the least you can do. Now, let's get to the good stuff. For this method, you'll need to create a custom gem in Google Gemini. So, head over to Gemini, click on Gem Manager, and then New Gem. Give your gem a name like Timeline Generator. The description field isn't important. Next, there is the instructions field where you must paste the instructions shown on your screen. It's essentially a detailed prompt that gives the gem two modes. Either you describe the topic and the AI handles the research, or you bring your own data and the AI focuses purely on building the visuals. And as always, you can find the instructions in the pinned comment below. Next, change the default tool to create image. Hit save and you are all set. Now, let's test it out. Before we build the timeline, there is another tool I want to show you. While Gemini is great for generating ideas, TicNote Cloud goes further by turning your meetings and files into structured visual outputs. It records and transcribes with up to 98% accuracy, generates professional summaries, visual mind maps, and deep research reports automatically. And with their upgraded Shadow agent, you can instantly turn recordings into visual pages, PowerPoint slides, or reports. Great for sharing with your team. Works on Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, and more. Link in the description. First, I'll ask the gem to create a timeline of World War I key events, from start to finish. In the second step, the AI proposes a few focus areas and asks which direction to take. I'll go with both battles and diplomatic events. In the third step, the AI researches and presents the events it believes are most relevant. In my case, it came up with 12 events related to World War I. You can ask it to add or remove anything at this point. But I'm happy with the list, so I'll tell it to proceed. Oh, make sure to switch from fast to thinking mode, because the image generation is about to begin and we need the extra computation power. The final step asks what type of visuals you want for the timeline. If you want a more creative output, meaning the style will be based on your topic, then pick A. If you prefer a minimal, corporate look, go for B, and if you're unsure, just type C. I'll go with A, so the output's theme is fully aligned with World War I. And here's the result. Check it out. Each node has a unique title, date, graphic, and a short description. There is also a list of 3 key terms with brief definitions in the footer, exactly just as I requested. Splendid. And if you want to tweak anything, you can ask for changes to specific nodes. For instance, I'll ask it to change the first node's visual to the map of the Austro-Hungarian Empire instead of the current one. And after a while, the updated timeline is ready. See? Here is the map, even marking the location of Sarajevo. Spot on. In the previous example, I didn't specify which events to include, so the AI decided on its own. But if you already know what events you want, you can simply paste them in. When you do, the gem skips straight to the third step, where you only need to choose the visual style. Once more, the result is 100% spot on. And that's exactly why I built this as a gem rather than a simple prompt. This level of versatility is what makes it so good. Needless to say, you can talk to this gem in your own language. If you do so, the generated outline will include notes and descriptions in the language you used. I've tested it in Greek and it works flawlessly, pretty much like all my Gemini tutorials. But in the rare case you spot any spelling mistakes, then check out the link shown on your screen for a quick fix. Now, here's a trick I'm sure you're gonna love. You can also connect this gem to a NotebookLM notebook and generate timelines from virtually anything, from recent news to your company's data or internal documents. For this example, I've built a notebook around the latest events of the Iran-Israel conflict. Here is how it works. Open the timeline generator gem. Next, click the plus icon. Select NotebookLM and choose your notebook. Then simply ask the gem to create a timeline based on this notebook's content and clarify the topic it should focus. Make sure you are using thinking mode before you run the prompt for maximum accuracy. From here, the process is exactly the same as before. The AI presents a list of the proposed events. You adjust if needed. Select your visual style from the proposed ones. And after a short while, the gem delivers your timeline. Lovely, isn't it? And that's how you create stunning timelines using AI. Now, timelines are great for chronological thinking, but when you need to capture ideas, concepts, and key takeaways, study notes are your best friend. I've got a full video on how to create them using Google Gemini shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you.